3 guys. And kay Angel Coeno was buy a squishy toys, Oreo and a donut.
How much?
Okay, let's go.
How much?
Squishy small is only 50 pesos.
50?
Yes.
And the big?
20 pesos and the big one is 100 pesos.
Oh, that's actually nice. Wait, I will find the 100 pesos. Can I buy the small and wait a minute.
The big one. 150 all your money.
I know, 150 all I spent today.
150.
No, I don't have any. I don't have, you know what?
Asan sila naman?
Hindi na lang dito yung sigla na. Isuot na lang din yun.
This is C by, and this is E by 2.
It's my ready you fish. I'm gonna eat my Oreo. That is my bad.
I'm so hungry. I want to eat an Oreo.
Go buy.
I have no money. Is that?
It's not bad. No, the money is.
Ala, tanan mga kwarta-kwarta na nagput. Pag nasabi, ang vlog.
Is that
Okay,
guys? It's okay because the
guys, I'm sorry
for the
to
vlog.
the vlog. Okay, let's go play.
Aha, kamaganan sa lido.
Let's go. Oh, sorry. Okay, Sarah looks cute. And I go hatch this. Let's go hatch this. Okay.
Hey, mao dili ka ko.
Okay, let's go back to normal. Kapit na.
Last spin.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, I will buy now.
I hatch this. And let's go. And I go hatch this and let's go. Yun, kabun. Kabun. Bang!